When opening your treadmill, you're going to need a pair of sharp scissors to cut off the banding. Once the banding's been cut off, you can lift the lid of the box straight up. Once you've opened your box, it's always a good idea to check the content inside to the manual to make sure you've got everything required. As the base of the treadmill is quite heavy, we always recommend that 2 people lift it out of the box. First stage of assembling your treadmill is to raise the vertical frame bars on both sides. To secure the vertical frame bars to the running deck, use 2 flat washers and 2 black Allen head bolts on both sides of the vertical frame bar. Use 1 arc washer and 1 black Allen head bolt on the rear of it, and repeat on the other side. Now insert the console onto the upper end of the vertical frame bars. On the right hand side of the console you will find the connection wires. Now we're going to clip them together by lining up the pins and then pushing them together until you hear the click. When placing the wire back into the frame, ensure that you do not catch the wire between the console and the frame when reattaching it. Secure the console to the vertical frame bar. Use 2 black Allen head bolts, 1 black arc washer and 1 black flat washer for each side. Bring the monitor up towards the tray so that there is no gap between the console and the monitor. Tighten the 2 black Allen head bolts at the rear of the monitor. It's important to note at this time you might need to use some force to get the monitor up, as it can be quite tough. Gently clip the safety key socket wires together, ensuring that you do not catch the wire between the console and the frame. Place the tray onto the console frame. Screw the 2 tapping screws into the 2 plastic cylinders at the bottom of the tray. Place the 2 item holders into each side of the tray in the corresponding slots. Remove the screw and the washers that are attaching the security lock to the base. Now you're going to want to level your treadmill, and to do that we adjust the rubber feet at the base. Twist the rubber foot anti-clockwise to lower the treadmill and twist it clockwise to raise it. Plug the treadmill into the wall outlet to power on the treadmill. Finally, to operate your treadmill, insert the safety key into the safety key socket.